Hi Rock Dogs, today we're looking at Trinity Rock and Pop Grade 1 Bass, and this is the breakdown of the song, and the song we're doing today is Learn to Fly by the Foo Fighters. Great song, lovely little bass line to learn for you Grade 1ers. And here we go. Now the first thing is the rhythm. It goes tea, coffee, fee, tea. Tea, coffee. The actual rhythm's written tea, coffee, coffee, tea. Because there's a tied note, a little bit of a rope joining the notes, it actually becomes tea, coffee, fee, tea, coffee, fee, tea. So if I play that, it's tea, fee, tea, coffee, fee, tea. So you're on the second fret, second string, tea, coffee, fee, tea. That's B major chord, and you're playing the root note there. Then you go to F sharp minor 7th, same rhythm, tea, coffee, T, coffee, fee, T, and then open string E major, coffee, fee, T, coffee, fee, T. There's the first time bar. So that means we play the first time bar and we go back and repeat. So the two little dots with the two lines. Okay, and we play that again. But after we get to the E, we then play a different rhythm, which is coffee, coffee, fee, T, coffee, coffee, fee, T, on the open E string, open string there, coffee, coffee, fee, T. Easy weasy so far. Then we're playing a semi-brief at bar 5. So we hold 4 notes. There's the B major, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second string, second fret. Then we go first string, second fret, F sharp minor 7. And then you've got 2 bars of open E. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's important you let that note hold over those 2 bars. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 again, and B 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, there's a repeat sign. Those 2 lines with the 2 little dots. The 2 little dots are your repeat sign. Okay, you've got to go back to bar 5. When you finish the F sharp minor 7, you've got a second time bar, which is the second repeat. Different rhythm. You've got a dotted minim, a dotted minim, which means you play 3. 1. Let's have a look so I can get closer for you. You're just going to open string and go 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. This is a second time bar at bar 12, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now at bar 12, we got a dotted crotchet on the first note, but it's a tied note. So in effect, we're coming to start playing on the and of 2. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and coffee, coffee. 1, 2, and. So we're actually playing on the and. So that second time bar is like this. Let me clap it first, because that's the easiest way to get your rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. So that's your rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. So on the bass, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. You've also got a crescendo marking when you try and play it louder. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and you go into heavy. You play it a bit heavy. Same rhythm again. Da 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 da. Tea, coffee, tea. Lovely little bass riff there. So that's the first page. Easy weasy, lemon squeezy, isn't it? And then we go to we change. We do the bottom. You've got first time, a second time, and then the third time. The third time bar, let's look at that. It goes tea, coffee, fee, tea. Same rhythm, but we have a change of note. It's on the E, and it goes tea, coffee, fee, second fret, right on the end on the T. Tea, coffee, G, T. Yeah, and we're on a first string, second fret, F sharp. And then we go to the first string, third fret, and we're just playing coffees. Coffee, 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 coffee. Fifth fret, coffee, 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 coffee. And then it goes coffee, coffee, coffee. Fifth fret, second fret, to coffee, 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 coffee. Same rhythm as we started. T, coffee, V, T. Now we go to the G, third fret, first string. This is bar 23, G. And then we got a new note, which is D. So second string, fifth fret. I usually use my little pinky on that, and I just go T, coffee, V, T. So in terms of the rhythms, it's all very repeated. The rhythm is all repeated. You're just going to the different notes. So that is that D major. D, 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 D. E open again. Second fret. And then on the coffee, coffee, third fret, fifth fret, A. And it goes again. Now, the only thing is when you get to the next D major, which is 27, 28, bar 30, you're just going to go D, T, open, T, open. So it's 5, 0, 5, 0, T, 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 T. That's a little bit different there. Back to the E, back to the G. This is bar 12 on the third fret, first string. Coffee, 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 and then go to the A on fret 5. So the next bit is the mapping in a song. So we've talked about repeats. These are the little signs with the 2 dots. You've got to look out for them because you know where your repeats are. We've looked at first time bar. That means you play it once, only once. You repeat back, and then you play second time bar. But the mapping on this is DSL coda in bar 33, and it says no repeats. So you're going to go back. You're looking for the S. You're looking for the little S with the 2 dots with a dash through it, and it's actually positioned at the chorus at bar 13. So that means we go back to 13, but we don't play the repeats. We only play it through once. We go through once, and then you get to the coda sign, which is a circle with the cross through it, and you can see the coda is now at bar 21, and that means you go from 21, end of 21, you drop down to the coda, which is 34, bar 34, and you can see the coda mark, and you go down to there and you get to the end. So once you get to the end, again it's all very similar. You've got 34, bar 34, open string, E major, coffee, 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 second fret, coffee, coffee, and then back to the 5th fret, and then you do 4 on B major. This is bar 37, and then count 3 bars. Now people don't count. This is the trouble. You've got to 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, and you're then playing dotted crotchets. So watch this. It goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yeah, so you got to make sure you got that right and you do those notes right. Get on with that, and don't forget to keep running through the song and playing along with me on the song. It's a good way to do it. Have fun with it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers for now, Mr. P.